Hi everybody, my name is Preston Nguyen Tang. I work for the State of Nevada Division of Public and Behavioral Health with the Office of HIV. I am also one of the founding members of the Southern Nevada Asian Pacific Islander Queer Society, also known as SNAPEX. So what got me in this line of work? Well, one of my good friends became HIV positive, and he shared with me at that time that he was so scared not only to talk to me, but to other people and seek assistance because he recently become diagnosed. He also shared with me that at the time that he didn't see another Asian person like him in the community, not only who was HIV positive or HIV negative, but to discuss openly and freely about HIV, discussion about risk behaviors, and how HIV is transmitted, which led me to help volunteer for an organization in San Diego called In the Mix, where I got to go out in the community and educate people about HIV, risk behaviors, and of course STDs. And better yet, I also got to do HIV test counseling and do it in multiple different languages so that we can meet the people where they're at. Regardless of any field, we need to break down stigma. Stigma is one of the social barriers that negatively impact HIV prevention and care efforts. If we can provide comprehensive sex education for everybody and normalize the conversation about HIV, I feel like that would help break down a lot of the barriers or the social barriers about talking about these type of things in our community. Whether they're in San Diego, Las Vegas, New York, we need to break down barriers so that we can make sure that everybody has equal access to healthcare. I actually really want to become a doctor, and my hope and goal growing up was to always help people. And regardless today, I'm still going to help people in my own unique way and making sure that they get access to HIV testing and treatment. Gotta love chocolate. You can't go wrong. Sweet and delicious. You can go on anything you want. Be sweet and sour too. And some of my greatest hobbies, I love dancing. I love taking photos with my iPhone and pretend I'm a professional photographer. You can do a lot of amazing stuff on your iPhone if you think about it. If you want to change the landscape of HIV prevention and education, I want you to help break down the social barriers by educating not only yourself as a human being, but educating others about HIV and normalizing the conversation about HIV. HIV is no longer a death sentence, and there are so many new advancements in the world of medicine where people can live a long and healthy life. And there's also medications also known as pre-exposure prophylaxis or PrEP, where you take one pill a day to prevent HIV transmission or acquisition of HIV. So pretty much like birth control, but for HIV, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.